Bro, Kwame, like for me, the old one, they make noise. So, bro, the old one, as it start make noise, it no come my head. You know, say me, I don't really be handy like that. You know, when it comes to, I dey try with a DIY, but it no really day my body like that. You know, and that one, like for fit clock say yeah, for oil lamp. But this one, that's then it be brand new way they make noise. I say, what could be the problem? I say, no, it be oil. Where you know, a clock where I put oil for everybody. You know, bro, 125 kg, no more. 125 kg. Achi kwakwa. But I should say by now they lose weight. With this all this running there, by now they I should say I for check my weight though. Probably they like 123, 122 or something. 125 kg, J no go be 6'2" broad back. You understand? Akoyana any joke. Wabre. See my nye de wa mensu. Esu. Akonyani isu. Mensu. That's a small weight. The boys, the way they see B strap before they see man in height, they see okay. So the guy, you know, it's not talk. It's not talk, you know. You know, the Pope self realize say that I really be tall guy. You know? They see me next to be strap, they say no, the guy tall, he big way tall, you know. Some attention seeker. I'll say fire by Banku chair, bro. yeah. I buy Banku chair, yeah. You know, it's small. But now, baby, I too. Or person me moving now. Me vex na my butt. I couldn't any day now. Yeah. I buy Banku chair, bro. Or baby, I too. You know, say that what they won't be like me. Be I move be on baby. I used to mean pussy. A full Banku chair, bro. Kokonti ankasa. Kokonti asiye. You know it's wrong, bro. Oh, Charlie. There's this in the fool. I mean, a fool pass there, bro. You want to try and outfool me? No, you can't outfool me, bro. Bro. Me prefer stick the enemy ass niggas. Or per se be movie. Somebody I will be. So right now, I won't make a vex and tell them say, quite it be this now I could to be, you know. And that's it. I said, on if I stick a pet. Me, come in. Hey, cool. Hey, cool, bro. Hey, cool. Hey, banku chair, bro. Hey, banku full buntu. You know, we small. Cupid, I know. That be why I know of you, know. I know. If like I vex, like I offer you, you know, I know vex. Oh, but that's in the bed with the bomb me. Blackson, you know why that's in the bomb me? Like, I don't know why options day. Like me, if somebody gets something, where it nice me say. If I go buy, I don't go buy the same thing. I will change the color, or I'll go for like a newer version, or maybe an older version. But the Ghana boys, they something be dead in my body. Yeah, me do bro. I'll be the same thing, bro. I don't know whether it's just to. I don't know the mind, bro. Me to me yes how, bro. If you wear something where the thing is nice me, if I go buy some, I go buy a different color. Or look for something where they look similar but harder past your own. But Ghana, they're bio or pe be like they always they do that thing to me. Me vex Sahara BBM me. How that thing they pay me on. Because me I don't go take that thing to anybody. I know, bro. Even if I have a fit planned, where somebody I see somebody wear the fit, I go postpone my own. I go postpone my own straight. Maybe say your own and my own it be different brand too, but just because it's the same style. You see, I tell you, there's to see jersey, but wait, that's it. But they think that thing do me all way every time. Or no, boy, no believe me, but I'm so. So that's to see outfit where I do the net one, see the mesh one with the, I think the color be what we could call cream, with the shorts. Then the plan be say the following week, because say I if you do the same silhouette back to back, but different colors. The plan be say I go do in black the following week. It be there where I go see the picture where you do the same fit in black. No? But in brand safe no be my brand some. It won't be face. Light. Light. But on postpone me there no. So further notice. What I say, in ownself, you can't post the picture for Insta. It be somebody with video and for TikTok. Or on one card debut or best yeah. Like sometimes they ask somebody say, where is the ego? Where is the self-respect? Like, you know? Kwekuminta. Say there's a popular sound. Say me I be the plug. They ask me say where I get them from. Me plug now me plugging niggas no. Say me she be bia. Now be catch him say me nyawa. Hey. Ghana's biggest plug now who be some say me nyawa. Baby you. Siki. I ain't a me fan brand na me to be mommy. Bro, that was it. Bro, you go tired, bro. You go tired. Don't worry. One day you go see me, bro. You go see me, don't worry. Me, we are the plug niggas, bro. Kwabi, you don't know the boys saying. The boys, forget. Forget. They be different. No? Me, I deal with them, so I know them. Like, I know them, bro. It's been 5 years dealing with these niggas, so I know them. They are so predictable, like, Ope who di be, Ope who di be, bro. Hey, because of Bote, my Louis V glasses. Man stopped the wear the glasses for 2 years because of Bote. Because to be no every day or shit. Every day or shit. I'm like, oh, but this boy go make the boy go think say like this shit is cheap or something, You know when you get something where they beat it rough, people go think say it's like, I stopped the wear my own for 2 years because of that guy. 2 years straight too. Like, because they exaggerate. It was 2 years. So after I did the end with Jai and son and Mr. Mission me the bio. Onya de back one. Long. But I say we nya goods, Oya there. I say we nya goods. First then you first no. Then you cry. Let's see what they do there. That Mew glasses. Hey, bro. I do believe say when you get special events, it should be like when you wear something goes on special event. That thing for be there's a name for it. When you take artist of the year, wherever you wear gold that thing as an artist, me I feel say for frame himself, but Shonipa or shit your money in there be the Mew no constant a bonin. You know them ones. Oh, lady, they step up. Really, they step up. Small. If you say you do it, they talk past that what did they do, you know? Yeah, special moments, of course. Hey, special moment. You take access to the year that everything we wear that time, that day, if for free mom, you know, for free mom say quite, you know. This is the shout out where I take my biggest award, because obviously it is his biggest award, you know. They hire PR for that award, or you know, so it's very big. Of course, you go step up. Everybody will step up off my influence. Everybody. You know, we say everybody. Obia, every GH artist, the influencer be this. Every GH artist will step up in terms of image. Influencer be this. Meaning, me, give them one of my toes. Because who you got a yawa? You ever saw live, mama? Ah, dale. Bro, Obia, bro. Obia. That's why we say, hey, it is about bank. Like, what's up, you know? Obia, bro. Hmm. Oh, yeah, of course. Everybody with this to drown. You bitch out who? So, you say, yeah, you go now. Yeah. You did try to do like, fuck the whole Shadamata. Obia bitch out. It go shock you. Yeah. It will shock you, bro. Obia bitch out. Travis, why they talk about this Snapchat? Why they want make we go bring this matter again? Come, bro. You see, Selassie, you did here somewhere, you know. You see what they try to do. So they like to press. They be them. They more person be pressing artists too bad, bro. How you they go bring the Snapchat matter come again, bro? Nothing beats authenticity, bro. It's class. It's everything, bro. It's peace of mind. Bro. It's just everything. It's everything, bro. When you be authentic, not just what you wear, like lifestyle wise. Peace of mind, bro. Peace of mind. You know they force yourself to do anything. You know. Oh, massa. Somebody come to tell me say, oh, if I be you, I go appeal that. You know that parking ticket thing where I get to know. I go appeal them because one of the tickets will be private parking. See, if you ain't go appeal them, I say, bro. You see that the whole back and forth, like, hello, I didn't park there, a long, mommy, bro. A long peace of mind, bro. I some £80 and then, bro, make they go them away, bro. Give them make they go them away. Can't do this so long. Letters go, they come your house. Bro, me and they like to see letter. A buyer na me sorty. A buyer na me sorty. Those letters when they come, then traffic violation letters. Hey, when they come, no, I the sort. No, I don't want. Me person best follow up. Long. Kwegumenta, yeah, if you know tell you, hit me up for Snap or IG, you know, if you really make serious. I tell you, people say me, I dey look for some. I know they say right now they call them trapper. I look for some trapper take tension the trappers, you know. I look for some Game Boy style and take tension the boys hard, you know, serious. For they look for somebody where you know, yeah, nah. Like I said, shall we, you know, some boy way, you know, he like daytime way, you know. I want shout out on one of them, you know. We do for the video, I call the video. Right now, Emre. For new person. Yeah. Yeah, I'm saying sure no. Yeah. Game Boys, I'm pe card do. Any card in Kwan. I say, what did I say? We count. Shout out hard now with the drum, so bro. The WhatsApp broadcast list. And if it drops on since for inside, when the boys in they see anything, I'm a vexing, I'm a sending over here and say, ah, Charlie, but you people, what's up? So this thing so I drop for the broadcast is that what I see, then they will reply. Vicky, we see we say bread no day, Charlie. Alright, cool. But yeah, man, if it drops some killer things where you do, I especially say, hey! But we know my say, hey, Charlie. Somewhere. Yeah, Drew. You know? Drew too somewhere. You know? That's in there. If I leave you, you know, you go feel them. You go feel them. People go see the difference. People go see, say, no, they leave you. They leave you, bro. People go see. And you know, be say, me, I they highlight you, be regular. But I ship boy, Havana. It sounds to do another thing where they jack me, bro. Bro, I said they save my pictures for my phone to forget. You know, be small. Africano. Africano, they Yankee. But still, I want to. If you want to do my mind day, you know. If you want to do my mind day, me, I want somebody day Ghana, you know. Oh, nah, I want somebody day Ghana where you will be. Yeah, but Africano, they Yankee. But yeah, my mind day. But if like I get somebody for Ghana, we are, you know, I want somebody where I fit, like they see him for town. You there Yankee, you know. I want somebody where they go see him for town. I call the video them the big game boys they call me say Charlie. The boy they change his life where right now you see I'm going to say for Yankee safe. Mataka clients not be game boy. He businessman, he there into gold. Where they stay takwa so long. Feel like a dark right here. I want Game Boy for the Game Boys. You know? Because the Game Boys, the shut that thing, they do like they like, but they really know like. So I want somebody make it raise my interest, you know? You say they like competition too. So if they see say somebody they near them, they go look sharp. That's why actually they look for the Game Boy thing. No? So the boy will step up. The car buying they jump them past anything. You know? So if you get somebody where they drive nice ways and so they shut hard, it will be pressure for them. They will start look sharp. It's on a cap here. Let me small. Boy say, oh, cap collection alone and say, bag bear. Cap collection alone. Bully. Try come broke shame ho. Cha cha. That be the thing. They won't look like little baby, you know. And when you try, they make you say, bro, little baby, a bad shot at some man. On count, they didn't understand. You know, see in recent fits, they laugh at them. The one they wear the shorts with it, they try to show off in tattoos for a leg, no. With the vest for the straight top. They laugh at them, bro.